This challenge is the fixme2.py challenge. This is an easy challenge from the general skills category from the Beginner picoMini 2022 event. The description says, fix the syntax error in the Python script to print the flag. All right, so what we need to do first is create an environment for our challenge. So we can go over to our web shell, and then we can make a directory for fixme2, and we're going to enter the directory by using the cd command, cd fixme2, and now we're ready to download the file. So we're going to type in the wget command along with our space, and then go back to the challenge description. It says download Python script. This is a link. Right click on it and then select copy link address. And then we can paste in the address using right click and select paste. Hit the enter key, and that'll download the file to our directory. Okay, so when we run python fixme2.py, this is the file we just downloaded. It's going to give us an error, and it's going to say syntax error, invalid syntax. Maybe you meant equal equal or colon equal instead of equals. So this is a problem that has to do with the symbols that we use inside the code. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to edit this file. So we're going to use the nano text editor, and so that's going to be nano fixme2.py. Okay, so down at the bottom, well, near the bottom of the code, there's this line right here. It says, if flag equals empty string, print string Zor encountered a problem quitting. Okay, so the problem is that this is a comparison, and because this is a comparison, we can't use this symbol right here. So the equal sign is for assigning variables, variable values, and this is not the correct symbol in this case. The correct symbol in this case, if we're using an if statement, is the double equal signs. So double equal signs means we're comparing something, and the single equal sign means that we're assigning a variable value. Okay, so all we need to do here is make sure that this is a double equal sign, and then we're finished. So we can save this by hitting the Control-X keyboard shortcut. It's going to ask us to save the modified buffer, press Y for yes, and then hit enter to save as the same file name. So after we've made that adjustment, we can just run python fixme2.py, and then the flag prints out. So this is the flag right here. Just copy it, highlight it, and just to make sure, you can right click and select copy. Go over to the challenge page, and in the flag submission field, paste in the flag, click on submit flag, and then we're done.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.